Was working on an order and I had leftover resin, and I remember that somebody requested for a tutorial on how to do a dried flower book cover, or a book cover with dried flowers. And this tutorial is going to be quick and a little bit messy because the resin was already getting hot at this point. Now for this particular design, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to pour a clear resin into the mold, and I'm just going to spread it out a little bit because we are going to be working in layers, and we want to make sure that our first layer is a very thin layer so that we have enough space to apply our flowers and then dome the flower. Now the next thing I will do is to break the gold flakes inside my clear resin. Now you could have as well just mixed your gold flakes in your cup and then pour it directly, but I don't like mixing my gold flakes in the cup. I like breaking it inside the mold. Now I would also just go ahead to pour my color. Now the resin is already getting thick and hot like I mentioned earlier, so I had to be careful with the quantity of resin that I poured so that I would be able to control the quantity that I wanted. Now once I've done that, I will just go ahead to blend the clear resin and the colors, and this is what our base looks like. So now that it is cured, I can go ahead to apply my flowers.